Oh, hey, didn't see you there. What's going on? It's me, Shikabuki Bugatti. Yeah, that's right. Bugatti's my name because I'm fast on my skateboard. Get rid of that because this here is a promotional video on lawnmower safety. Now, the number one thing you must know is lawnmower safety. Come over here. You see, I actually got this little exhaust tip, just a little one. You know, just so that way my lawnmower runs a little bit more smooth. I just washed it because who knows, maybe something could last lawn cutting could have hardened up and could shoot off and kill me. But the number one thing that you always need is some good safety equipment. So here I've got myself my dirt biking gloves because I like to be extra safe out there when I'm cutting my grass. I'm gonna do a little startup real here. Yeah. Hold on, let me fix my hat. Always remember your